Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the demand on availability of computer system resources, especially data storage. Cloud is also known as a global network. That's why it's called cloud. Three types of cloud computing. Platform as a service. It offers access to a cloud-based environment application without the needs of installing and working with IDS. Software as a service offers applications that are accessed over the web and not damaged by your company but by the software provider. Infrastructure as a service offers a standard way of acquiring computing capabilities on demand over the web. Main components of cloud computing consist of all hardware and software components that are needed to support the delivery of cloud services to the customer. Our networking equipment, servers, and data storage. Who invented the cloud? Joseph Carl Robinett Licklider in the 1960s with his work on ARPANET to connect people and data from anywhere at any time. Features of cloud computing. Resource pooling. It means that the cloud provider pooled the computing resources to provide services to multiple customers with the help of multi-tenant model. On-demand self-service. It is one of the important and valuable features of cloud computing as the users can continuously monitor the server uptime, capabilities, and allotted network storage. Easily maintenance. The servers are easily maintained and the downtime is very low, and even in some cases there is no downtime. Large network access. The users can access the data of the cloud or upload the data to the cloud from anywhere just with the help of a device and an internet connection. Availability. The capabilities of cloud can be modified as per the use of and can be extended a lot. Automatic system. Cloud computing automatically analyze the data needed and support a metering capability that some level of services. Economical. It is the one-time investment as the company has to buy the storage and small part of it can be provided to the many companies which save the host from monthly and yearly cost. Security. It creates a snapshot of the data stored so that the data may not get lost even if one of the server get damaged. Pay as you go. In cloud computing, the user has to pay only for the service or the space they have utilized. Measured service. The resource usage, which can be either virtual or server instances that are running in the cloud, are getting monitored, measured, and reported by the server's provider. Advantages of cloud computing. Cost saving, security, flexibility, mobility, insight, increased collaboration, quality control, disaster recovery, loss prevention, automatic software updates, competitive edge, sustainability. Disadvantage of cloud computing, risk of data confidentiality depends on internet connection, the level of security, compliance, vulnerable in the event of an attack, data movability, technical problem, low connection. Last, risk of cloud computing. compliance violation, identity thief, malware infections, and data breaches diminish customer trust and potential revenue loss. Thank you for listening.